when would an attorney get involved in a car accident?
Right. Well, our preference is always day one, that the process of gathering information, of making sure that everything that needs to be documented is documented, is a very important part of this process. So ensuring that, appropriate medical care happens after a wreck, assuring that, this video potentially of an intersection or a video that might be available at a gas station across the street, gathering that sort of information, gathering cell phone records, you're on a timer. And there's going to be a date and in the future where those bits of information just disappear. Sometimes these video systems are on a 2-week timer. Cell phone records, it's as little as 30 days sometimes. So if the wreck is a serious one, our involvement on day one makes sense because the amount of complex issues that might come up and the need to gather information, especially if there's any doubt in anyone's mind about how a wreck occurred. We're comfortable with complex wrecks. We're comfortable with he said, she said wrecks, wrecks that might happen at an intersection. And you hear back from the insurance company, well, we're not sure what happened exactly. We know you say how the wreck happened, but because we're not sure, we're just going to make it 50-50 liability. We're only going to pay for half of your damages to your vehicle because we think we have an argument that you caused at least half of this, or we feel comfortable that you're going to have to prove to us otherwise. In that situation, if the insurance company has been reasonable with you, you think, well, it seems like they're taking responsibility. And then, 8 weeks into the process, you start seeing the real story, the real fact that this insurance company is going to contest your amount of liability and your story in the wreck. And then they're 2 miles down the road and proving that you're half at fault for this wreck. They've already taken statements from the other driver and any witness, and an attorney representing you in that instance. The insurance company is always thinking this way. We might not be thinking that way. So that's why it would make sense to have an attorney involved early, even if, it is seems like it might be a cut and dry or more simple type case, but especially in the ones that are complex.